All right. See how much more dog watching we can do tonight. Just trying to burn through this story. If you're looking to get up to speed, there's some bad blood. There's a homeless dude that is friends with T-boners, and he has dreadlocks. A homeless dude has holes in his shirt. He's taking drugs because other less homeless dude, T-Bone, did something to him and it messed him up. So more homeless dude, Tobias, is helping him out to catch people that have homes so that both of them can have kind of a house. Less homeless has a warehouse with computers in it. That's about it. Should pretty much get you up to speed there. I am in the chat, so if you have any disparaging remarks and or home improvement tips, feel free to join. Oh, by the way, the loading screens take forever. I have no campaign marker. Not a good sign. Oh, there it is. Nope, not it.
Let's see what we got here.
Hello, my name is Charlotte Gardner, speaking on behalf of Bloom. As you know, crime rates have plummeted since Bloom brought the CTOS to Chicago. Our system prioritizes security and safety. Last year, Aiden Pierce launched a terrorist attack on the CTOS, but was ultimately unable to bypass our security measures. With the cooperation of the CPD, Bloom is now offering a $100,000 reward for any information leading to Aiden Pierce. Thank you for your time and your help to make Chicago a safer city.
With slow 360
Safety and
pan.
security in my eyes. Bloom wants to enlist the public in this war. This puts a lot of heat on Pierce, and if they lock onto his trail...
Grade A camera work,
I'll
guys.
find mine. I gotta keep an ear to the
I'm not
ground
gonna
and see
get
if I
this
can keep
anywhere
this
else.
under control.
Okay, let's try to do whatever that says.
All right, Ray. I followed him to an old mansion. Here, I'll mark it for you. Man, this place is huge and creepy. I am definitely not walking into that death trap.
I'm not gonna push you. You've done more than enough.
I'm headed back to the silo. Don't get yourself killed.
I won't.
Or tortured.
Don't worry about it.
Ray, this is a really terrible idea. Maybe we can find another lead.
Don't worry about it. We'll talk soon, my friend.
Forget about it.
911, what is your emergency?
Better not be 911-ing.
Hello, I need you to stay on the line.
Feeling injured. See if we can use these actual fast travel points here. Hey, hey. Driving is a thing of the past. Good, I took cover. Gosh, it's different. It's not the same run button from GTA 5. I did it again.
Sounds like DedSec sent out a news broadcast. Let's see what these punks are up to.
We are DedSec. Know that an attack on one of us is an attack on us all. We will retaliate. Consider this your last warning. Back off now, or prepare for a new kind of war.
That was a pretty direct threat for DedSec's public channel. Usually they get all poetic and wordy to try to hook new fish. Something's goddamn spooked. You don't want to back these guys into a corner. Who knows what kind of damage they can do. I gotta keep one eye open.
Unknown threat as DedSec spooked. Investigates. Alright. To Council of Daves. Is that not a Fallout mission? Gary. No, it was Gary, wasn't it? No, the Republic of Dave. Ah, Fallout. Relax, your local news team is here. We are not horrible people.
If I can figure out who's pulling the strings, I can still shut this thing down before they find us. Hell, it'll give us both a fair shot at escape. They've got their mole, Alex Javorsky, somewhere inside here. I need to know what or who he knows.
Somewhere inside that small boat. Alright. Is that a policeman boat? Any mission that starts with a boat can't be bad. Or can it? I am entering a restricted area. Well, there ain't just a ton of cameras around here. Secretly longs to be a porn star. Okay. is not out of range. Baloney. Nope. Jaworski. I don't know why I stealth all these things. We're doing half the time if I just pulled out my gun and went nutso. But that's kind of fun. Zap. Is that dude on the roof? He is on the roof. Line of sight hacking. How did that never catch on? Back turned. Yeah, headshot. Oh, can't climb up there. Of course, I distract him when he turns around. That's probably a bad idea. Haha. Can't do anything to that dude? looks like I don't have to. Vulnerability detected. It's the way in.
Figure out what that smell was?
Ooh, that was nice of them to automatically put me into cover. Distract.
It isn't over yet.
What isn't over? Wasn't me, it was your camera or your phone.
Don't see Jack. Better check somewhere else. I got nothing. I'll check over there. Don't see anything. Gonna move on. There's nothing over here. Looks clear. Heads up!
See how bad of an idea that was here in a second. It's not a knife. Point isn't to stab somebody to death with a taser. Oh, I could have driven the car. Look at that little car. Oh, there's a dude right there. There's another dude right there.
Keep your eyes open.
I know what we can do.
Stay on the lookout.
Nothing was wrong. That guy.
Looks like a job for Eugene.
Unlimited zaps.
Keep an eye out. What the? Oh, fuck me. Stay awake.
Never should have bought that explosive cell phone. Seems like a super bad idea now. Ooh, can I zap that dude?
Start looking for him.
Zap this lazy bones. Just sitting in his bed. All right. Gotta be people left in here.
Gotta be here somewhere.
Like if you shoot them in the head, the little surprise marker doesn't go away right away. Dying, but I'm still kind of curious. Can't go in there. Okay. Already killed that dude.
Keep alert.
I'm pretty sure I unlocked that door. Let's do it again. It's already unlocked even.
please don't. It's okay, it's okay. I'll come to get you out of here.
It does kind of look like a mole.
God, they just kept stabbing me.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Shh, you need to calm down, man. Tranquilo.
You're Raymond Kenny.
T-Bone.
They're looking for you.
Raymond Kinney.
Fucking
Like a
managed to
normal guy
disconnect you.
name.
Do you think you can?
T-Boners.
Feel my
You're
leg.
nasty.
Okay.
Please.
911, what's your emergency?
You need to tell the cops one of their CIs got shot. And put a hurry on it.
Sir? Are you still there?
I can't be here when the cops come. So if you got anything you can tell me about Bloom. A name. Anything.
I was following Bloom's money guy. Guy named Jack finally.
Took a bit on that one. Quite the wind-up.
Never got close to the boss, but Jack,
...
you promise me you'll hurt those fuckers.
You wait until they get close, and then aim for the face. You understand?
Speaking of the police, obviously.
Where the hell did he go?
Well, that is more guys than were here before.
All units, be advised, air support is inbound.
Tell you how.
Cops are here. Move! Move!
Zappy zappy.
I'm about to get caught up in a shootout, but it might be just the distraction I need to slip out of here.
This is the police. Exit the house now. Lay down your weapons or we will open fire.
How does that help me? Shot my car! Uh-oh. Does it want me to go out this way so the chopper can shoot me? Nope. Or maybe. I'm gonna run towards the chopper. That seems to be the thing to do. Nope. So if I disrupt it. Is there a way to leave the area? What? Is the chopper shooting me now? Oh, I'm entering restricted. Oh no. What do I do? Don't shine the light on me. Keep disrupting. That seems to be useful. Stop shooting me. Not even the strongest Assassin's Creed game, really, here. I'm gonna take the smoking boat. That seems like a good call. May escape the police. Needs a narrator that does that anytime you have an objective. Oh, hey, pretty good. What can I say?
Okay, Jack, finally. Looks like Chicago's got a few of you, but only one works for Bloom. Bingo. Thanks for checking in at your favorite bar, pal. You are making this so easy.
Again, not even thinly veiled, just no even try at a reason for why he's talking to himself. And parked. Yeah, who needs a skill tree? I want a bomb on my car, and that's it. Fast travel. Should have done this on any of the other two streams. Hey, Van. Sorry about that. What is the rush? I'm kind of just trying to find a car. That's pretty much the only rush. Hacked. Hacked. Here we go. Somebody put an alarm on this car. That's fine, I guess. Wow, this is like driving a hoverboat. With any luck, I'll get through enough missions that the game ends. Seems like a goal.
All right. I'm showing his car is parked around back. Let's have a look. If I'm lucky, this guy will be nice and sloshed. It'll make it real easy to...
Dope.
You dirty fucker! Gotcha.
And he's dead. Game over. You play as Tobias,
Guess
homeless
what?
guy for the
We
rest.
got Raymond Kenny. Yeah, outside the bar. Your guys will bring him in.
I have to go inside the bar and play that drunk game now. You've been inside the circle. Oh my gosh. I spoke too soon.
Just treat it like a bad trip, T. Bad trip.
It is just like a bad. It's almost like exactly like when you get drunk. That's the crazy thing. Hardest part of this freaking game, by the way. If you ever go for that achievement, trying to get all the drunk games done, that is some insane freaking stuff.
What is this? Horse tranquilizer? I'm trying to lose my shit here.
Must get in car and drive, so it is exactly like being drunk. You have an overwhelming urge to drive home. Almost as if the guy who stabbed me in the neck probably should have just taken me in himself. I don't know. And now I'm going to tail him. This is kind of amazing. What if we could combine a mission where you're drunk with a mission where you have to tail somebody? Those are kind of the two worst things in the entire game. Now they're the same thing.
This is really not a good time.
I just wanted to see if I can help. I know I bugged out on you last time. I don't want to be a coward, but I am, and I hate it.
It's okay, it's okay. I got it under control.
Wait, are you drunk?
Horse tranquilizers.
I totally understand. Call me back when you're done.
He's on the phone. I need to listen in.
We got Kenny. Start packing your shit up. When do we get our check? Blue can't have this on the books.
You know, we got Kenny.
To be sure it goes through proper channels.
Stopped him from moving and then left him.
Default. Freaks do
Yeah,
this
more
pro
accurate.
bono.
Saw him for a short amount of time before I walked away, maybe?
Fucking default. I figured he scurried away from Chicago last time we spanked him. Bloom and the rat together. This is a foul fucking mix. With default on my tail, Bloom is guaranteed to find me no matter where I hide. Yes, he's that good. Only got one option here. Find the son of a bitch first, and take him out.
To dinner.
Freeway, I need you to look up something for me.
Sure.
Start with my location. Search for networks around me. I'm looking for dumb shit. Emoticons.
I found a ton of it, sir.
I'm not seeing anything.
Icons all over the map.
Please. Oh, cute. Well, I guess that's supposed to be a mouse tail?
That's the one. Send me the location of that machine.
Done.
Let's see what he's got on his machine.
My head's starting to clear up. My guts feel like they're about to abandon ship. Let's hope tailing my little Bloom buddy paid off. I think I might have struck gold here. But just fucking keep my lunch down. KT. Okay.
Oh, the camera, dummy.
Quiet.
Restraining order from the zoo? Hey, you know what? Sometimes a sheep just needs to be pushed through the fence. Nobody's got an explosive phone on them. Some terrible bad guys. Oh, that's these guys did not care. All in a day's work. I could distract the hell out of these guys if I wanted to. I'm so distracted right now. Distract that guy, distract that guy. So distracted, distract that guy, distract that guy. Nobody's doing their job. Everybody's looking at their phones. Okay. There's not going to be any easy way down here, is there? Maybe there is.
Damn. It'd take me days to track him through this. No time. Let's see if I can get his goat, though. Make him slip up.
Still with the goats.
Hopefully he's paying attention.
A collection of goats at this point.
Hey, defect! We need to talk. So why don't you
Because
give me
default,
a call?
get it?
Really
Burn.
it here, ain't you? Well, I was expecting something a little bit
Uh-oh.
more dramatic.
You didn't see
I'm a
that,
little
guys. I'm not allowed to
disappointed.
talk about that.
Well, since you ain't here, you won't mind me fucking around with your rig. Some of this might interest WKZ-TV. Ha ha! Aw, damn it. I should have expected an alarm.
Well, now I kind of wish I would have killed all these guys first. What? Now who? There's some dude like right by me, isn't there? What is this dude? Look right there, isn't he? Who's that guy?
Take this guy!
I mean, this isn't infinite while this thing uploads. Pop it up. Shot him in his leg to death. Reach the server. It's right behind me. I've technically reached it. Finally, some sweet keyboard action. No need to explain. Just keep it going. And we're done. Oh, no, we're not.
Oh, now you want to talk. Uh-huh. Yeah, well, I'm busy. Leave a message.
Who's he talking to? Nope, can't just unlock that. Gotta do the work. Like that's another source. Someday I'll figure out this game. Hey.
T-Bone speaking.
You inbred backwater Sasquatch! Do you understand how extinct you are?
Well, why don't you stop by so we can talk about it?
Dead mouse. Sec.
That was the old Humani building behind him. Whoops. You fucked up, son.
Okay. Act 2.
Brewer, Bloom's put a hacker for hire on our trail. Goes by the name Default. That kid's got a huge ego and the skills to back it up, so he makes everything a goddamn game. He wears some kind of electronic rat mask.
I can never tell if you're messing with me. I'd offer to come along, but I'd just get in your way, right?
Yeah, probably.
It's the bad blood. It's between them. It's so bad. Oh, I don't want to go that way. Alright, let's do one more of these. Call it a night. Maybe we can finish the whole thing up tomorrow or the next. Do not technically want to free run to the goal. I just want to there's a bad guy here. Why would nobody... Oh, it's just a mugger. Alright. Guy's gotta earn a living. Let him do his thing. It's alright. It's Chicago. It could have been the mayor. I love it when a van comes together. Oh, I'm sorry. I did halfway through that. It's telephone poles leisurely bolted onto the very top layer of cement.
Can't underestimate Default. He knew I'd track him back here. I gotta stay sharp, work the trap, find a way through, and hope there's a rat at the end of his maze. All these guys are geared up and ready for trouble.
I don't understand that analogy.
That's what a Bloom budget will get you. Probably safer to try to slip past them.
Stand in the middle of the street while I do this. Or not, because this camera goes nowhere. Ah, there it is. Ta-da!
Are you fucking kidding me? Faulty piece.
You get somebody with that? Oh, I think there's an exploder down there. Nope, maybe not. There? Nope.
Nothing here. Moving on. Looking clear. I'll head that way.
There we go. Yeah, there's a lot of freaking guys in here. Or there was. When did that guy show up?
Be careful. You don't find him, I'll kill you. Careful! I got nothing. Check over there. Clear. I'm heading that way. I don't see Jack. Go and check somewhere else. Give it up for now. Regroup.
I'm, of course. Dang it. Too far.
That thing's not supposed to be on.
I'm in the one enemy that's stuck on the geometry. Okay, there he goes.
Fuck no. My gear's gonna blow.
Hey, 3.
You're watching me, ain't you? Oh yeah, kid. I'm coming for you.
There's an exploder.
I got nothing. I'll check over there.
Another exploder.
Okay. Okay. Remember
Run towards him. No, too far.
Track him down.
Why won't that guy show up?
Don't see Jack. Nothing here. Gonna check somewhere else.
He's an enigma. The unhackable human. Alright, I think I actually...
Now, in the video, Default was up there somewhere.
I got nothing. Check over there.
The camera. Okay. Anybody else in here? I think we're clear.
He's not gonna show. It's a waste of time.
How do I get up there? Headshot. How do I get up there? It's gonna make me go all the way around, isn't it? Heck is that? Vulnerability detected. Ladder.
Enough fucking games, all right? What is this?
I looked, and there before me was a pale horse. Its rider was named Raymond fucking Kenny. And death followed behind him.
He's a performance artist.
Mothers, husbands, wives, brothers. Did it make you feel powerful, Ray? Did you get a little tingle between your legs?
It's the best Disneyland ride I've ever been on.
Smile for the camera, Ray. You've got fans.
Fuck you. What the hell? Oh, this is sick.
This is sick, bro.
He's a person, Ray.
Eat shit, default. Sam Jennings.
Let's talk about this.
Oh, we will. When I find you.
See, Ray, I'm an artist too.
Shut the fuck up! Mary Langston. Fuck. They're all here, aren't they?
People from his past, maybe? People he T-bonered?
Investigators have confirmed Raymond Kenny, an ex-Bloom Industries employee, is responsible for the blackout, which has resulted in 11 confirmed deaths. Kenny's motivations are as of yet unknown, and Bloom has...
No! It's all bullshit! That's not the way it went down at all, you twisted psychopathic fuck! Is this how you get off? Well, fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck.
They called it suicide. But he was on watch until you cut the power and let him out. You murdered him! Murderer! Murderer!
They died.
Not really a
because I
parenthetical.
wanted to send a message. I thought I could warn people about what was coming. Show them that one person can shut down a whole system.
In the months after your crime, each one of these families found a lump of cash in their savings. Was that you? Did you try to buy your redemption?
I tried to make it right.
Oh, you'll make it right, Ray. That's a promise.
Focus boost. Yeah, I should actually try and use that at some point.
End of the road.
I'm focus boosting. Or focusing, anyways.
That's impossible. This shit's supposed to have 5 fail-safe
Is it?
redundancies.
I put it down by my feet. How did that go wrong? Do I have a better gun? I don't. I have a shotgun. Let's try that.
Could still be going around.
Well, that was dumb. Maybe throw it in the die. There you go. Genius. Hey, it almost killed him. You threw that right by yourself. And it killed you. I'll have to go through these guys. Ram his side?
We could use some help. Run him off the road.
I wish I could help you, but I'm in a hovercraft. There's a better way to float across the map. I don't know what it is. Okay. That was not a decent maneuver. You'll never force me off the road. I refuse to drive on one. I'm super bummed about all those people I accidentally killed, but also I'm gonna hit a billion pedestrians while I try and run away from these dudes. I'm more sad about the other dudes. They were floating. I'm trying. Car not doing great. Can't see. Yep. This is going to turn out to be a bad idea. Oh yeah, it's actually putting some distance between us. Or I was until.
Where the hell is he? Where'd he go? Shit, he's gone.
All right. I've acquired enough skills for tonight. None of them useful.